Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a quick and easy meal idea, then I want to show you this Amy's Organic Soup. This is the black bean vegetable soup, and it is low fat, it is gluten-free, and it is really tasty. So this has some nice mild spice to it, really nice Mexican flavors, and it's just a really hearty and delicious bite. So I love to keep this soup on hand. It's great when you are in a hurry and there is zero work involved. All you need to do is heat it up. So it has this really delicious black bean flavor. It has a nice broth. There's some vegetables in there. It has corn, potatoes, leeks, celery, all kinds of veggies packed into this one little bowl. So you can add things to this if you like. If you wanted to add an additional protein to it, you could, but you do get a nice amount of protein from the beans. You could add a little bit of cheese or sour cream and totally customize it to however you like. So I have been really happy with this soup. I love having it on hand because it's super delicious and very warming, especially on a cold day, and it really does fill you up. It's very hearty. So I would definitely check out this soup if you're looking for a nice quick meal option that is also organic, and that is my point of view.